Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your brand trust with reputation.com, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your brand trust with reputation.com, start by understanding your current online reputation. Perform a comprehensive audit of your online presence. Use tools to monitor reviews, social media mentions, and Google search results. Identify key areas where your brand may be vulnerable. Set clear goals for your reputation management strategy. Develop a strong, consistent brand message across all platforms. Engage actively with your audience on social media. Respond promptly to both positive and negative reviews. Show appreciation for positive feedback to build loyalty. Address negative feedback constructively and professionally. Utilize reputation.com's dashboard for real-time monitoring and insights. Leverage the platform's tools to optimize your online listings. Ensure your business information is accurate and up-to-date. Create content that highlights your brand's values and mission. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews. Share success stories and case studies to enhance credibility. Use social proof to build trust among potential customers. Regularly assess your brand's online perception through surveys and feedback. Adjust your strategy as needed based on insights and analytics. Collaborate with your team to ensure everyone understands the importance of brand reputation. Capitalize on opportunities to showcase your brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Stay proactive rather than reactive in your reputation management efforts. Monitor competitors to identify best practices and potential threats. Finally, consistently refine your approach to uphold and enhance your brand trust over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.